Right, this is the fitting guide for the static calipers and brake discs for the Tamiya TL01. That will also fit the FF02 hubs as well. There's a few things to consider with these calipers. Due to most Tamiya wheels having rather large supports on the back, there may not be clearance for the caliper on the back. But a lot of aftermarket wheels without the supports on the rear, there's plenty of clearance. And there's a set of HPI TE37s. So first of all, these are going to be with the recess facing out, and you simply push them onto the hub, decide where you want the caliper to sit. It should sit flush with the hub. Tighten them up. Fit your pin as normal. And the brake disc simply fits over. I have got the recesses in the back for the pin. That slots in place. Then use the supplied screws to fit the caliper to the hub. There we go, static caliper with a movable disc. Now this is to show the difference between the Tamiya wheels, and these are some custom printed ones. So on the back you'll see the supports. Now they don't clear the caliper. So you cannot put the wheel on because the caliper's in the way. On my designed wheels, these have also got a 3mm offset just to fill the arches a bit better. But they also have thicker spokes and no supports on the back. They fit and clear perfectly fine. There we have it. Right, each kit will have 4 mounting brackets. Four brake discs, These will come pre-painted. And for calipers and sails, these won't come painted, so you can paint them whichever colour you want to fit your chassis. As I say, they do come unpainted, so you can match them to your design or livery, whatever you've got on your car. Here's a couple of examples of the different colours that you could do. Yellow, white, blue. There's red, there's purple, green, silver, orange, pink, bronzy gold, black and a luminous orange. Here's a couple of videos of some of the cars I've fitted them to. Let's say you can run these, but you do run the risk of causing damage if anything gets stuck in between the caliper and the disc. So I will say, run at your own risk. These are predominantly made for shelf queen, so if you want to add that extra scale detail to your shelf queen, then have a look on eBay. There will be more things coming soon. There will be more things coming, including my intercooler kits and brackets for the Tamiya TL01 and TL02. They are universal. And also my custom exhausts, which these can be magnet mounted. There's also plenty of adjustment depending on how far you want it to stick out or the angle. You can either shoe glue them in place or, as I've done, shoe glue the magnet on the back and on the inside of the bracket. There's also a 5mm hole in the back if you wanted to run none of these.